Well, good evening, boys and girls. Miss Sarah's going to do a lesson, and I want you to watch it. For the ones who could not get on today because we were having problems with our internet and our computers, Miss Sarah wants to review with you the letters that we learned yesterday, okay? So, we learned about Oscar Orange. Is Oscar Orange? And whenever we turn this here card over, this is the letter O. In words and in books, when you begin to read, you will see this letter in words. Now, Miss Sarah's going to tell you the sound for Oscar Orange. You are going to pretend to make a circle with your hands, and you're going to say, ah, ah. That is Oscar Orange's sound. So when I say, who is it? You're going to say, Oscar Orange. When I turn it over and I say, what sound? You are going to say, ah, ah. Okay? And then I'm going to say, what letter? And you're going to say, O. So, boys and girls, this is the uppercase letter for Oscar Orange, the letter O. And this is the lowercase letter for Oscar Orange, the letter O. Notice that one is small and one is big. They are both the same. They are both alike, but they are different because one is small and one is big. But you write them the same way, okay? Now I'm going to show you some pictures and tell you some words that begins with Oscar Orange's sound. Ostrich. Uh, Ostrich. I want you to say these words with me. Octopus. Uh, Octopus. Orange. Uh, Orange. Now, yesterday, we also went over a different letterland character, Peter Puppy. So, Miss Sarah says, who is it? You're going to say, Peter Puppy. Who is it? That's right, boys and girls. Peter Puppy. Now, when I turn it over, I'm going to show you the letter. This is the letter P. P. The letter P. Now, I'm going to show you how to make the action trick for the letter P for Peter Puppy. You're going to pretend that you have long ears like Peter Puppy, and you're going to pretend to feel those ears with your hands, okay? And you're going to say, p, 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 like puppy, okay? P, puppy. So Miss Sarah says, what sound is this? What sound does Peter Puppy make? You're going to pretend that you are a little puppy dog and you are brushing the ears and you're going to say, p, p. So this is Peter Puppy and this is Peter Puppy. Notice that the letters are the same, but one is different. One is small and the other one is big, but you write them the same way, basically, okay? So, both of the letters are P. Both of these represent Peter Puppy. In words, you will see them look like this. If a word is very important, say someone's name, it will start with the uppercase letter P, okay? But if it's in the middle of a word, you will see it look like this, the lowercase letter P, the small one. Now, I'm going to show you some pictures. Begin with Peter Puppy sound. Parrot, parrot. You're pretending that you have those ears, those puppy ears, and you're going to say his sound at the beginning of these words. Just like that, okay? Parrot, parrot. Good job. Pig, pig. And this is the color pink, pink. Very good, boys and girls. Now, we are going to learn about two new Letterland friends. And guess who they are? There is a queen that lives in Letterland. And her name is Quarrelsome Queen. Quarrelsome Queen. That's right. Look at her face. She's always mad and angry. She always has a nasty looking face. And boys and girls, she doesn't like noises. So she's always telling people to be quiet. So I'm going to tell you the sound, but you're not going to say quiet. This is what you're going to do. You're going to put your finger, one finger, in front of your mouth, your lips, and you're going to say qua, 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 qua. Okay? So this is Quarrelsome Queen, and this is Quarrelsome Queen. Now notice, it's the same letter, the letter Q. But the letters look different, and you write them different, boys and girls, okay? This is the small letter, the lowercase letter, Q. This is the uppercase letter, the big letter, Q. So this is Quarrelsome Queen, and she's sitting down. Now, I'm going to show you some pictures, and I want you to say them with me, okay? And they begin with Quarrelsome Queen sound. Question mark. Question mark. That's right. Quill. Quill. And Quarrelsome Queen, she quite likes to write with a quill dipped in ink. So long time ago, boys and girls, people, they would take and they would write with a feather and they would dip it in ink, but it's called a quill. And they would write on paper just like we do with pencil and paper. Quilt. Quilt. You can hear Quarrelsome Queen sound at the beginning of these words. Quilt. And it's like a cover. It's like a blanket that you put on you at night when you go to bed. And in your little booklet, let me show you, you are going to draw a picture of a quilt. Miss Sarah already drew a picture of a quilt. So in your blue booklet, just like this, you are going to find the letter Q for Quarrelsome Queen. And remember I said she's always mad and angry. Let me show you a picture of Quarrelsome Queen again. And I'm going to show you her face. That's why Miss Sarah drew a ugly face. Okay? Because she's always mad. So I drew kind of like a sad face, a mad face. So what I want you to do, I want you to draw a quilt. Or you can draw a picture of Quarrelsome Queen. So here are some other things that you will quarter, queen, quilt. So this is what I want you to draw a picture later on, not right now. And I want you to show your parents. And I want you to practice the sound. And tell your parents, this is Quarrelsome Queen. This is the letter Q. I'm going to read the sentence. The queen has a quilt. Now, boys and girls, you're going to learn about a new letter. If you flip the book over, and on the back of that page, you will find a new letter. This letter is the letter R, and it stands for Red Robot. So let me show you a picture of Red Robot. He loves to run. Run. So you're kind of going to make the sound like a car running, and it kind of sounds like sometimes a dog, when a dog barks at you. But this is Red Robot, and he loves to run. So you're going to run in place. You're going to stand up. You're going to run in place. Okay, so this is Red Robot, and this is the letter R. Can you say R? R. He likes to say words that begin with his sound. Rocket, rocket. He loves the color red. 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 And he loves rings. Sometimes your mommy might have a ring. Okay? So this is a ring. Let me stop recording. I was trying to record.